In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elementor faster. If you've been looking for ways to optimize your Elementor website and make it load more quickly, then you're in the right place. We all know that speed is crucial when it comes to keeping your website visitors engaged and providing a seamless user experience. Let's dive in and look at some simple settings within Elementor that can make a significant difference in your site's performance. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard and from there, head on over to the Elementor section. Once you're there, select Settings from the list of options. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Features. This is where we can adjust certain settings to enhance the performance of your site. The features we're focusing on today are designed to streamline your site's code and load times. The first feature you'll want to enable is called Optimized Markup. This setting helps reduce the code your browser needs to parse, create, and render your page. Essentially, it streamlines the HTML and CSS output. What does this mean for you? In simpler terms, it removes any unnecessary data that the user's browser doesn't need to load your page, allowing the page to load more quickly. It's a straightforward adjustment that can greatly reduce your page load time, especially on content-heavy pages. Next up, let's talk about element caching. Enabling this feature minimizes the CSS and JavaScript used by Elementor components. Every time someone visits your site, their browser has to load those CSS and JavaScript files, and if they are large, that loading process can be slow. By enabling element caching, you're telling Elementor to minify these files. Minification refers to the process of removing all unnecessary characters from the code without changing its functionality. This can include things like spaces, commas, and comments which, while helpful for developers, aren't needed for your website to function. The result is a lighter, faster-loading web page. Remember, these optimizations are particularly beneficial if you have a highly dynamic or media-rich site, as they ensure that your users aren't waiting unnecessarily for elements to load. These changes not only enhance the experience for your visitors, but can positively impact your site's SEO, as search engines prioritize fast-loading websites. There you have it, a couple of straightforward changes you can make right now to help speed up your Elementor site. Improving your website's speed might not seem like a big deal at first, but it's crucial to providing a smooth user experience and can even help with search engine rankings. So take a few moments today to enable these features. Your website visitors and your performance metrics will thank you. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.